What's up guys, this is going to be a super quick unboxing of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max in the space black color. We are going to be comparing it to the space gray and see how big the differences are, but let's go ahead and get right into it. We do have the pull tab here at the back. Let's go ahead and rip that out. Another one here at the bottom and pull that, and let's go ahead and open this baby right up. Bam, there is the phone itself. We have everything else. We'll go over that later. Let's go ahead and check out the phone first, and there it is guys. Very good looking. Definitely the best color in my opinion on the iPhone 14 Pros. Let's go ahead and give you guys a quick comparison to the space gray. Right off the bat, you can tell that the space black is a darker shade of black than the space gray. Try to give you guys different angles and lighting so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. There's definitely a noticeably darker shade of black on this new phone, and I'm glad there is. I really do like the black more than the space gray, not just because it's new. I just always wish the space gray was more of a black. They both look great, but definitely the space black does look better in my opinion. But let's go ahead and take off this plastic paper thing, and there is a beautiful nice screen. And let's see if we can go ahead and check out that dynamic island. You guys can kind of see it right there. Really good looking. We do have that little speaker here at the top, very thin. That looks pretty sleek. I didn't even know where they were gonna put it. Definitely very good looking. But that's basically the phone itself, guys. I'll quickly show you guys what else it comes in. Not too much stuff, at least nothing important. They do come with one Apple sticker there. Let's see what else we have here. This one is kind of important. It does say you will be activating through eSIM now, because this phone does no longer have a physical SIM card. I know some people are pissed that travel a lot, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Apple does whatever the flip they want to do. We do also have a USB-C to Thunderbolt cable. Have no idea why it's not USB-C to USB-C, but it is what it is. And that's it guys. No charging brick once again. It's annoying. I don't know how you're gonna pay over $1,000 for a brand new phone and you're not even gonna get everything you need to charge it. That's ridiculous in my opinion. I know most people already have charging bricks, but you can't expect people to do that. If you're paying $1,000, you deserve to have an extra wall charger. But that sums up the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.